Welcome back to Google Guru. Today I'm going to show you how to change the sharing permissions of your Google Drive using the control panel and a third-party tool. First of all, to edit the sharing permissions in the control panel, you need to click on the gear in the middle of your screen and then scroll down to Manage. Then where it says Drive and Docs here, we'll go over to Settings. As you can see, there's this section here called Sharing Options, so you can specify what the highest level of sharing that you want for your users. Now this can be complete freedom to share outside your organization, as I have selected here, or you can change it so that your users are not able to share outside the organization. So I'm going to leave that here, and also I'm going to make sure that my users are warned when they are sharing outside the organization, so they're always notified. And I'm also going to allow them to publish documents on the web or make them visible to the public. I'm going to go down here and save the changes. The problem with using the control panel for this is that this applies to my entire organization. So if I make these changes, it will apply to the highest level of employees as well as the lowest level of employees. So for example, if I have a group of interns, they'd have the exact same sharing policies as my highest level executives. So that doesn't really give me much personalization for the sharing options. To get a little bit more control over who can share what and to what extent, you need to use a third-party tool. So the third-party tool that I'm going to show you is FlashPanel. So to access this, I'm going to go up here to More and scroll on here and click on FlashPanel, and then I'll click on the Drive tab up here at the top, and then go over here to Sharing Policies. So with FlashPanel, I'm able to set sharing policies at every level of the organization, from everyone in the company to individual org units within the company, as well as individual users within my company. So this is great when I have an org unit of interns and I don't really trust them with sharing outside of the organization. As you can see, I have it fairly limited to not with the public and not with the public with a link and not outside my organization. But you can see that it's limited all the way throughout, and I want them to be able to share within my domain. So I'm going to click on interns, and then I'll change this to allowed, domain to allowed, and domain with a link to allowed. And then down here, this is what will occur when FlashPanel finds a violation of a doc shared that's in violation with one of these specified settings. So I can have it automatically corrected to the proper sharing setting, or I could elect to change all editors to viewers, change the document owner, as well as setting notifications to maybe a leadership position about a violation of a sharing policy. So I'm just going to change that right now and update the policy. I'd also like to change a sharing policy for myself, so I'm going to create a new sharing policy, go to User, enter in Guru, click on my name, and then since I'm the highest level of this organization, I should be able to share whatever I want with whomever I want, especially since I am sharing documents with the Guru website and through social media, so it's pretty important that I need to be able to share these documents publicly. So I'm going to change all of these to allowed, and then go down here to continue and apply now. So that's how you change sharing policies in bulk with a little bit more customization than the control panel gives you. If you want to personalize your sharing policies at the org unit level as well as the user level, then using a third-party tool like FlashPanel really is a much better option than using the control panel.